Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
फीवर एफएम से मैं हूं आपके साथ आपकी आरजे आयुषी फ्रॉम हैदराबाद एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मेरे सामने दो ऐसे टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स बैठे हैं जिनका ट्रेलर देख के मैं ऑलरेडी फ्लैटर हो चुकी हूँ. What a trailer, and we're waiting for this movie Squad. First of all, congratulations to both of you, Malvika and Rinzing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I want to tell you, Rinzing, especially, I told my mom that I'm going to interview you. I told Danny के बेटे हैं वो because she's been watching all those films. She's like, wow, मुझे देखना है कि वो कितना बड़ा हो गया होगा and कैसा है.
So you can tell her 6 foot.
She's right here. She's right here to see you.
10 foot challenge.
How are you?
So I think बिल्कुल मेरी मॉम की तरह सबके अंदर यही क्यूरियोसिटी है. वो देखना चाहते हैं कि डैनी के बेटे कैसे हैं, कैसे परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं फिल्म में. So we all are waiting to see it.
I really hope I live up to all everybody's expectations, and I said, it's my first movie, and I'm excited to show you guys what's next.
Before I put this question to Malvika, see Malvika, अभी भी ना मेरे दिमाग में आपका नाम ना पूजा आ रहा है. Just imagine. वो कैरेक्टर ना ऐसे हम लोग के अंदर बसा हुआ है. So Rinzing, one question, I mean ये कितना प्रेशराइजिंग लगता है. Like हम बच्चों को जब कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अपनी माँ की तरह बनना है तुमको, तो वही एक प्रेशर हम लोग के दिमाग में जहन में आ जाता है. And you are carrying that legacy. So, how's the pressure? How's everything?
For me, I'm doing my best to stay calm. I'm eager for everybody to watch the movie, and I'm doing my best to stay calm and like not be nervous for the next 15-20 odd days, because after the movie comes out also I think we'll still be promoting. So that's it.
Hearty congratulations to you. It's your debut movie. Even I can feel that excitement for you, Rinzing. And now खूबसूरत मालविका जी, आप सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि आप दिन पे दिन इतनी खूबसूरत कैसे होती जा रही हैं?
मेरी खूबसूरती का राज अभी मैं क्या बोलूं?
I mean, look at you in the trailer. The person whom I met इतने सालों पहले in my studio, and look at you in the trailer. You look so amazing. What a transformation, and love your acting.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that.
तो अगर आप अपनी कैरेक्टर के बारे में मुझे बताएंगी, so please explain क्या है आपका कैरेक्टर, क्या देखने को मिलेगा?
तो ये जो कैरेक्टर है, her name is Arya in the film. She is a sniper. She's a sharpshooter. She's a very smart girl. She's very sharp. She knows exactly what she wants, and she loves the thrill inside her. She loves her squad. She can do anything for her country, and that's what you're going to see in the film now.
And what made you say yes for this film?
I think the action in the film is the USP of the film, and it's done in such a big way. So when Nilesh himself, our director of the film, he has such incredible knowledge about action. He has such amazing visuals for action. His vision for the film was so larger than life, and you can exactly see that in the trailer as well. So hearing all of that, I got so intrigued that I just wanted to be a part of the squad, and I couldn't have any other way out.
And how's Rinzing as a co-actor? How is he?
Rinzing is so special to me. I know Rinzing since we're kids, and sharing screen space with Rinzing was so much fun. It was such a pleasure to work with him. Everything was so easy. We were so comfortable with each other on set, and he'll always have that special place in my heart for being my first co-actor.
क्या बात है. रिंजिंग ने आपको पैसे तो नहीं दिए ना ये सब बोलने के?
थोड़े दिए हैं.
I'm treating you to dinner.
Only cash.
अभी रिंजिंग आपकी बारी है. आपको बताना है कि आपको मालविका के साथ काम करके कैसा लगा, और आपका कैरेक्टर ट्रेलर में पता चल रहा है, बट अगर मैं डेप्थ में जानना चाहूँ.
So the character basically, he was raised in an orphanage. तो उनका परिवार तो is not non-existent, because he's been through different orphanages, for example, and also growing up he found the military. not the special forces basically. So he's focused and dedicated to his country and his team. But see, I don't know how much to say because I don't want to mess up the movie. Sometimes I just open my mouth and I just start talking. So,
Just say what you can see in the trailer.
okay. I don't want to
जनता
make.
आपको सुनना चाहती है रिंजिंग. Go on.
I don't want to make a mistake. Rather than watch me, na.
That's
So,
true. That's true.
One more thing. What was I going to say? What's the second part of the question?
Malvika.
Malvika was always it was a pleasure working with her. Of course, I've known her since we were kids. There was no like there was no like random feeling or weird feeling like when we're co-working together, like doing a scene together, or even post shoot. It's very relaxed and chill.
You will hang, yeah.
So I want to ask you, Rinzing, that anything that we do in the life for the first time is always special. So something that you feel special about this movie. लग रहा है कि मतलब ये
Everything.
moment तो मतलब I can't relive again.
Pura experience special hai. From the ups and the downs, everything is a learning experience, and I'm grateful. I'm grateful for finishing what we set out and started.
Super. So Malvika, you tell me, theater में मैं इस फिल्म को देखने जाऊंगी. So what is that one takeaway that I will, go get out of the theater
आपको
with this?
थिएटर की जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप घर पे देखिए. ZEE5 पर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
It's coming
12
out.
November को ही सब्सक्राइब करना. And you can relax at home and watch this film. Even though the film is beautiful, the canvas of the film is gorgeous, it's lovely, it's larger than life. But sit at home, enjoy with your family, relax and watch this film.
Cool.
But
A
one
quick
thing is saying why you should watch the film.
Yes, please go ahead.
So the film has everything in it. It's a proper popcorn action entertaining film. It has emotions, it has patriotism, it has a little bit of romance, it has that feel good factor when you watch the film. Like, I'm sure once you finish the film, you're going to be smiling with a happy heart. So you can sit at home, watch it with your family, enjoy, and that's it. We've made something to entertain all of you.
So I have a rapid fire round for both of you. So Rinzing and Malvika देखते हैं कि कौन मेरे इस rapid fire round को easily पार कर पाता है.
So
Okay.
who's going first?
You have to always answer first, Malvika.
Me?
Yes.
So it's not rapid for Rinzing, no? Then it's very rapid for me.
Anyone जिसका रहेगा वो हाथ उठाएगा, ठीक है? Okay, guys. So सबसे पहला मेरे शो का नाम है Lose Control. So one thing that loses your control. पहले उठा.
Rinzing has to
Anger.
answer first.
Rinzing.
One thing that loses my control, matlab, then my anger, right? That's one of the few things that we can lose control on. So I have to keep that in control.
Anger. Malvika.
For me, when I lose control is sometimes time. I lose track of time sometimes.
Super.
Damn,
One
that's a
thing you guys love doing in the evening. कुछ काम नहीं है, शाम में ये करना है. Rinzing.
TV, Netflix, YouTube,
Gym.
Z5.
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 Cancel that. Z5. That's all I'm saying. Z5 and YouTube.
Gym,
Okay.
Z5, YouTube.
अगर आपको गायब होने का मौका मिलता है, so what is that one thing you want to do? You have Mr. India की घड़ी, invisible.
Go to the beach, just tan.
गायब होने का मौका मिले तो क्या करेंगे? Beach.
Beach. Sida.
I think I don't know. I'll go to places that I'm not allowed. I don't know where that is. but
Like
Badtameez. Badtameez.
I think what's the फायदा of being gayab otherwise?
Point.
Fair enough.
हैदराबाद की ईरानी चाय या फिर हैदराबाद की बिरयानी?
Biryani.
Biryani.
Oh,
You're clearly losing, Malvika.
Biryani for me also.
बिरयानी, she's in the sink. Okay. So अब आप ये बताइए कि हैदराबाद के बारे में एक लाइन क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Beautiful. Yes.
So I love
Historic and
Hyderabad.
beautiful.
I love Hyderabad for the food. I think it's like the best city in India where you get the tastiest food. I love Hyderabadi khana. So for me, I'll say yummy.
if ever you're listening to radio and if you just want to call an RJ and say कि मेरे को एक गाना dedicate करना है, तो वो आप गाना रेडियो पे किसको सुनाने के लिए dedicate करोगे रिंजिंग?
To myself, because I want to listen to something that I want to hear on the radio, especially. So if I have the chance of getting it played, and also maybe one of my squad songs, our squad song, then soon.
I think I'll dedicate a squad song to Rinzing.
You guys are playing very safe. मतलब मेरे को कहीं मौका नहीं मिल रहा है कुछ पकड़ने का. Okay, but tell me, do you guys get time to listen to radio?
Yeah, I love listening to
गाड़ी में.
गाड़ी में.
Okay, superb. और अब क्योंकि आप लोगों ने रैपिड फायर राउंड इतने अच्छे से खेला है, तो मेरा आखिरी सवाल है. ये सवाल का जवाब बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये सवाल सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. और सवाल है कि आपको आरजे आयुषी से बात करके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा, and it was great talking to you and also saying hi to your mom. And I'm so glad that you enjoyed the trailer. And I can't wait for you to see the movie.
मुझे भी बहुत मजा आया आयुषी आपसे बात करके, इतना कंफर्टेबल लगा. और प्लीज वॉच हमारी पिक्चर स्क्वाड on 12th of November on ZEE5.
One last message that you want to give to all our viewers about the movie that's releasing, and कोई एक अंदर की बात, राज वाली बात that you want to tell.
Raz to kuch nahi hai, but it's an action-packed movie. If you like action, if you like guns, if you like just brute force and just, power, then please go and do watch the movie. Also, if you like the trailer, there's far more than that in the movie. So please show some love.
Like this, ये तो बस ट्रेलर ही था, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है.
One very important question, Rinzing. I can't end this interview without this. That what's your family's reaction? Not only just dad. I want to understand that family's reaction.
My family, they bought a bigger TV for the house so that they could watch the trailer now. Because no one's here right now. They're all in Sikkim. So they watched the trailer. All of them put up in the TV room. Dad called me, and then mom spoke. Granny, sister, everybody loved the trailer. They were excited.
One tip that you've got from your dad?
Work hard and do your best. Always put in all the effort so that you don't regret anything in the end.
Rinzing, we really want to hear you say one dialogue, your favorite dad ka favorite dialogue. उन्हीं के अंदाज में एक हो जाए.
Yeah, one of the main ones that comes to my head is from Ghatak only. But I don't know if I can say it.
You can say it.
I said it last time. It's no, I can't say it. I can't say it.
We would love to see you.
I have to be conservative, or maybe in the next movie, if I get angry and shout, because it's my dad speaking with Amrish Puriji and Mr. Sunny Deol. You know that scene, right? You've seen the movie, I'm sure.
It's a kutta wala dialogue, no?
Yeah. So I feel bad whenever I say
big deal.
Yeah.
See, if you're really comfortable, go ahead. I think it'll be a treat to watch you, Rinzing.
I'll save that for later. I'll do that in front of you. But I don't wanna.
Cool. We won't force you. And yes, Malvika, चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को एक बार हो जाए.
I'm also going to be a spoiled sport like Rinzing now. He's not saying the dialogue.
I'm not a spoiled sport. I'll say your dialogue. चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को
चांदनी चौक में.
You have to know this. Come on.
I'm very bad at this stuff. You know that.
Say my dialogue.
Let me Google it. Wait.
See, I think I remember चंदू की चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
There you go.
चंदू की चाचा ने चांदनी की चौक में चंदू की चटनी की चटाई. I didn't know anything. I know चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू के चाची को, and that's all.
चांदनी
चटनी चटाई.
Malvika, you should do it. Yeah, come on, once full entire.
I just said it.
No.
चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. Happy?
बस मेरे इंटरव्यू का मकसद आज पूरा हो गया. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are so cool.
Thank you. Please watch Squad on 12th November on ZEE5 and subscribe it on 12th November.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys,
It was
and keep
amazing
listening
chatting.
to Fever FM. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.